Alright, so we got these armytrix catless downpipes for the NSX. Very high quality. These are $2,900 and it looks like they are worth the supercar tax. They're ceramic coated. They utilize the OEM heat shields. So it's gonna sound great. And it's gonna be paired to this avior exhaust, titanium. Right now the car has avior downpipes, but they have high flow cats. Still sounds good, but it's gonna sound even crazier with these. So right now we got the bumper off and we're gonna go ahead and get these installed, see how this thing sounds. All right, let's take a closer look at these armytrix catless downpipes. Nice high quality ceramic coating on them. Welds look good. Nice badge on there, serial number. It's nice that they added these so you can use the OEM heat shield. No rises in the weld, so there's no interruption. No turbulence with the flow. So this is the old downpipe with the high flow cat. And that's the new one right there. I'm gonna put the heat shields on. A lot of ceramic coating over here. Keep them temps down. Yeah, extension contraption. All my car peeps, you already know that 2-hour job is never 2 hours. More like 8 hours or 10 or 24. You want to see what NSX turbos look like? Not very big. All right, so everything's put back together. Let's close this. All right, let's hear it.